Hi, I'm Ken Fain from Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. Oh gosh, it's hot out here. It's hot and humid. When it's hot and humid, I always worry about wood. I've got wood on my mind. Why? Humidity makes wood expand and swell. There are a lot of things that can go wrong with wood, and believe me, you could drive yourself crazy trying to avert them all. Some manufacturers want you to check the humidity level of the subfloor and the wood, and you have to check a whole bunch of boards, and you have to check the temperature in the room, and you have to do this, you have to do that. You could drive yourself crazy, and even if you do all those things, there are no guarantees. The common sense approach is pre-deliver the wood. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Pre-deliver the wood to the installation site 24 to 72 hours ahead of time. That way, the wood acclimates to the temperature of the environment. And therefore, when you install it, it's not going to expand and it's not going to shrink disproportionately. Nothing's perfect. There's risk in everything, but minimize your risks. Before you have your wood floor installed, be sure to acclimate it. Engineered or solid, it's the right thing to do. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.